Hi guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of Chilled Relaxed Playing Time. Okay, there's like an aircraft flying. Anyway, welcome back to the channel of Chilled Relaxed Playing Content, where we talk about plants and we try to learn the best way to grow them so they grow how we want them to grow. If you are also interested in learning or just hanging out with planty people, hit the subscribe button. Let's be plant friends. So today I have a box. This box is from Steve's Leaves, and yeah, I bought some begonias. I really enjoy cane begonias. I just opened it. I didn't open anything else. This is my wrapped by Brandon D, unboxed by Cole. This is my little invoice. I have a little card with care instructions. This card's pretty. I like how all the begonias look. That's a pretty card. But like I was saying, I really like cane begonias. And now that I'm like home and I can kind of like monitor my plants more, my plants have been doing a lot better. Before, when I was in grad school, I was like busy with grad school stuff and like traveling from New York to school and all that stuff. So some plants were not happy with me. But now everybody seems to be happy, and I decided I was going to venture over onto Steve's Leaves website and kind of just check them out, see what they have. And I ended up buying some plants. So this is what it looks like when you first open up the box. We got some paper, and we have some more paper, and then we have the two plants that I ordered. So yeah, the first one, it's called Begonia Ice Castles. Let me actually get my scissors so we can open this. But yeah, it's called Begonia Ice Castle. And I bought this plant because I wanted some like more darker foliage in my plant collection. A lot of my begonias, they're kind of darkish, but they're like medium greens. And I believe this guy is going to be a darker foliage. I don't know why I can't say foliage. That's the word. That's how you say it. Foliage. Plant. So, you guys want to be the first ones? How does it look? How does it look? Ooh, it's flowering. Look at this. Okay, so look at that. First, let's look at the front of the plant. Let's look at the back of the plant and look at those flowers. I also picked them based on their like easily flowerable aspects. It says it on their website, on Steve's Leaves website. When you're looking at plants, it tells you like it tells you at least if it's like a prolific bloomer. So look at that. And I wanted this plant it's like an all dark green leaf. A lot of my begonias have like splotches and I guess variegation. It's like silver splotches, and I kind of just wanted like a nice dark plant without so much splash. I think it would look good contrast with all the different other plants. I also really love the leaf shape. Like, these are newer leaves, so they're little, but look how beautiful that is. So pretty. I'll show you up close one more time. These beautiful blooms. So yeah, I know with Steve's Leaves you're not supposed to like repot for I think a month or a couple weeks. I have to read the care instructions. It's been a while since I've ordered from them. I ordered from them probably a couple years ago. It's definitely before school. So, but yeah, and I don't think I ordered begonias from them. I think I ordered like some other stuff. It was like kind of when I was first getting into houseplants and I first learned about online houseplant shopping. You know, you gotta test the waters. You order from a couple different places and see how they do. All right, so they have shrink wrap taped around it and then paper towel around it that's damp to keep the plant nice and happy in transit. So this is the Begonia Ice Castles. Okay, the second plant. This one's called Begonia Tubby Tuba. And one, I think some of these these names are just funny. And, you know, I don't buy the plant for the name. I buy it for what it looks like and, you know, its growing habits. They do have a lot of, Steve Leaves has a lot of begonias, obviously. That's like what they do. But they have a lot of hybrids that are more like shrub-like. They call them like shrub-like or bush-like. And I'm always like really tempted, but I have the one, it's a Pegasus. It's called, yeah, it's Begonia Pegasus, and I'm pretty sure that's a shrub-like one. And that one is not doing so hot. So here we go. How does it look? Okay. Okay, look at this. Look at these big leaves. We do have some damage, but that's okay. And this is another just plain matte plant. Although I did read that this one, sometimes, yeah, this leaf, depending on how much light you give it, will get some silvery splash. But it's okay. Yeah. So it has like a faint silvery splash. And these are more like, they kind of look like little cells where there's like a little circle in the middle, where most of my other begonias, the silver splashes are more, you know, the whole circle is silver. This, I hope you can see that, is more, they're like little donuts. That's what they look like. This one's also supposed to be a prolific bloomer, so I'm excited to see how that one's gonna go. And we got a good old stem. And yeah, so this is Begonia Tubby Tuba. So this is it, just a quick little unboxing from Steve's Leaves. If you're interested in buying from Steve's Leaves, Nick Pileggi has a discount code. So go check out his channel, check out his latest Steve's Leaves unboxing, and like use that discount code because might as well. And yeah, so I'm just gonna hang out here, unwrap my plants, and just admire them. So yeah. Which one do you guys like better? The Tubby Tuba or the ice candles? Let me know in the comments below. And until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.